regional committees did extensive exercise, sir. I must tell you that. And I must thank the regional committee members. Imagine, sir, these are villages, some of them which are not accessible easily by vehicle. They have to be traveled, some areas have to be traveled by 4-5 hours of road, travel by vehicle. And some areas you have to even walk for a few hours to get there to those villages. And so the committees, they went to ground zero. They went and met the people. We had a process which we call a referendum, sir. So even though we don't call it referendum in the process, but that is precisely what we did. We called the villagers and we asked the villagers right there and then in front of Assam and Meghalaya regional committees, which state or which region, which area would you like to be in, which state would you like to be in. And we got the referendum of the people living in that area. In some areas, they unitedly put up their hand and they said, we want to be in Meghalaya. And Assam government, people were sitting there watching and listened to it. When we met at the Chief Minister's level, the Chief Minister of Assam asked, what did the people say? And the answer of the regional committee chairman was, the people said, we want to be in Meghalaya. So this kind of exercise was never conducted in the past. And it is this government in the MDA 1 that we did it. Now, I'm not claiming that we are the only ones who did it, or only ones who have actually contributed to making this possible. But the fact that we went to every village, had a referendum, had a people's voice heard, and we had all the vote, not voting, but literally kind of a hand shown and saying that where would you like to be. These are things that were done by this government. And we cannot deny that, sir.